Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is the latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news, as Kaizer Chiefs might have been handed a huge boost in their pursuit for Langelihle Phili. So according to Lawrence Kohler, Ashley Dupree has reached an agreement with Stellenbosch over personal terms, and he'd be happy to return to Stellenbosch. Now, this means a swap deal may be in cards. We might see Langelihle Phili heading to Naturena and Ashley Dupree heading the opposite way. We all know the price check is set at 16 million. But yeah, with a swap deal, we might be looking at something like who knows, 12, 13 million or so, just over 10 million, and I think that's more reasonable. I still think we should be paying that 16 million, but if there's a chance to offload Ashley Dupree, reduce the price on Langelihle Phili, then why not? It makes it more sweeter, because Ashley Dupree is definitely not part of our plans anymore. He's been omitted the preseason squad, so it makes sense, to use him as a card to reduce the price. So yeah, man, I just hope this happens. We are in desperate need of a winger. We need two wingers who are ready to start. Langelihle Phili is that winger. So yeah, man, from here we shouldn't mess this up. And I was sitting and thinking, because we want to offload Chabocele, there might be a possibility that we see Chabocele being, involved in this transfer. I'm not sure. It's just an assumption. I'm not saying anything. I'm just assuming that since the club is desperate to get rid of Chabocele, they are even offering him a compensation fee and to terminate his contract. So this means they are desperate to let him go. So if they can use him to, reduce the price on Langelihle Phili, then it's a win-win. It's a win-win for everyone. Everyone's happy. Chabocele gets his move. Kaizer Chiefs get their man. They spend less. But yeah, man, in anything we do, let's not fuck this up, please. Let's not fuck this up. Yeah, let's not fuck this up. Because now we are looking at something like 13 million. If it's a swap deal, we are looking at something like 13 million. If these men are not willing to pay that, I don't know. I don't even know what am I going to come here and say, because I'm definitely not going to shout. That will absolutely drain me. If we can't pay 13 million for a player like Langelihle Phili, then I don't know. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Smash a like. Thanks for watching. I'm out.